So, my friend, I have one question for you. If you play sports, especially cricket, did you ever seen a good bowler, a powerful bowler, was bowling but not able to take any wicket, and then suddenly he take one wicket, and then his body language, everything get changed, and they start taking wicket after wicket. What we normally call khun lag gaya. You remember this? I still remember when I was young, I used to watch cricket in a test match when B.S. Chandrasekhar used to bowl the spinner and he was not getting wicket. And the moment he got the wicket, he will run through the whole side. Number of times he has done it. So why not done it before? What suddenly something happened? So listen, my friend, in you have a as a bowler, you have a two part inside you, a bad bowler and good bowler. The moment or a dangerous bowler, wicket taking bowler. So what happens? So as he was bowling it continuously and not able to get wicket, he was thinking differently, feeling differently. And the moment he took a wicket, what happened? What happened? Is confident and the wicket taking bowler got activated automatically. And then he taken start his body language change, his thinking change, his focus change, everything change and start taking wicket after wicket after wicket and full stop. You've seen that? Now, how this happened? Why when he took a wicket, then only it happened, right? What if you can get into the state of mind from the very beginning automatically and start taking wicket from the first go? What will happen? You take more wicket if you are bowler, fast bowler, spinner. In fact, my friend, it is all mental thing. You have all the skill, but the mental skill is very, very important. Mind training, mind coaching is very, very important. Once you know how to activate your best bowler at will, you start taking more wickets. Your career is easier. In fact, I have worked with many bowlers. Some of the spinners I still remember. One spinner I worked from Kolkata, and he was the part of the Bengal team. I'm talking about around 25 years back, and he was out of the team because he was not able to take wickets. And then he met me, and he had some negative beliefs like I I have to bowl 2 hours to get my line and length. Okay, I changed this with his belief. Then he said, "Sir, I'm everything is okay, but I'm not taking wicket." Then I programmed his mind to take wickets. And then he started taking wickets. The first match, it's a first division match in Kolkata. First match, three, then five, then seven, and guess in fourth, all 10. This is all in your mind, my friend. If you know how to program your mind and you can achieve anything you want. You may have a skill, but if you are not mentally strong doesn't mean that strongness on the body or something. Mentally powerful, you know how to use the power of your mind, you can achieve anything, my friend. You need to be mentally strong. So if you really want to be mentally strong, I'll give you first tip how to use it. Before any match you play, think about the in the past. If you have done a wonderful performance in the past, write it down in a diary, at least three, four, and read them, feel them, and then go and do the bowling. You will get the same wonderful part. You will get activated, the best bowler activated inside you. And there's another technique which I have developed called HRA, Hidden Resource Activation, my trademark thing, where you can activate any part inside you instantly. You don't need to even remember. Just asking your subconscious mind to activate, you can activate it. It's a very powerful technique. So use what I told you, and then if you want to take it to the next level, if you're really interested, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. I work with many sportsmen, golf, cricket, and many other sportsmen. I'm using this technique. Even I use this technique for the top level CEOs to achieve their dreams. So you can use this technique to become very successful in cricket and take your game to the next level. If you're really interested, call on this number and fix up a one-on-one appointment with me. Thank you very much and see you soon personally.